Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Williems.
Achoo, achoo, achoo. Gerald! What do you want to play today?
I want
Yes. What about? Say what about? About a with a hat?
Achoo!
Stop. You just. Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no. What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What you if fight to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
Why, my friend? But Gerald.
No, do not speak. It's too late.
What that?
Choo. Goodbye.
But Gerald. Gerald. This is a cat. Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat.
Mommy Jack.
Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too.
Oh no!
Done.
No. I do not think pig make you sneeze. I do not think cat make me sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You're sick. You're sick.
I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor.
It's me.
Piggy, great news. I have a
Good
cold.
for you.